Warning signs that your heart isn't functioning properly. Heart issues can be sneaky and surreptitious, arriving suddenly and seemingly without warning. But oftentimes there are tip-offs, though people fail to recognize them. Regardless of your gender, knowing what to look for is key. For starters, keep close tabs on your blood pressure and cholesterol. Then be on the lookout for one or more of these signs of potential trouble. Chest pain or soreness. Not everyone who has a heart attack does it Hollywood style. Intense pressure, like an elephant standing on your chest, should prompt you to call 911. It doesn't have to be a sharp pain. It could be subtle, and it sometimes radiates out to your shoulder, arm, neck, or jaw. Chest pain that pops up during or following a workout, or when you're stressed, is especially concerning, as it could signal a blood flow issue. Shortness of breath. If light activity takes your breath away, especially if you used to be able to tackle a flight of stairs without huffing and puffing, that's trouble. Breathing problems that come on when you lie down are also problematic, so be sure to bring that to your doctor's attention. Flu-like symptoms. Feeling nauseated or fatigued or experiencing a cold, clammy sweat can signal insufficient blood flow. Everyone gets these symptoms at times, but if they start after a bout of physical activity, see a doctor. Severe stomach upset can also be a red flag. Research shows that some women have indigestion during the days before a heart attack, but they don't associate it with heart trouble, so they put off seeking treatment.
If you're enjoying, like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps my work a lot. And don't forget to activate the bell to receive all notifications. Thanks.
Lightheadedness. Feeling lightheaded or woozy could be a sign of a blockage or valve-related issue, especially if it's accompanied by the feeling that your heart is fluttering. Feel lightheaded whenever you stand up quickly may also be a sign of impending heart trouble. Fatigue or sleeplessness. Many female heart attack sufferers feel oddly tired during the week leading up to an attack.
If you liked the video, save it to your phone and share it with your friends. And for more curiosity about the human body, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.